If you're planning an international business trip and want a simple, efficient way to manage all your travel logistics, Navan is the tool you need. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use Navan for international business trips, showing you how it simplifies the process and keeps everything organized so you can focus on what matters most, your business. Navan is a powerful travel and expense management software that's designed to streamline your entire travel experience. Whether you're booking flights, hotels, or arranging transportation, Navan handles it all with ease. The platform offers a sleek, intuitive interface that allows you to plan every detail of your business trip, and best of all, it's completely customizable to fit the needs of your company. First, let's talk about booking flights. When you're heading overseas for a business trip, navigating different time zones and airline options can be a hassle. Navan lets you search for the best flights based on your preferences. You can filter by price, airline, layovers, and more. It even lets you book multi-leg flights for those complex international routes, all in just a few clicks. Plus, Navan integrates with your calendar, ensuring your flight times align perfectly with your meetings. Next, booking hotels becomes a breeze. Navan doesn't just show you random hotel options, it suggests the best places based on your location, company policy, and even employee preferences. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a luxury stay, Navan has it covered. You can book directly through the platform and even manage changes if your schedule shifts last minute. But what sets Navan apart is how it handles transportation. Whether you need a car rental or airport transfers, Navan gives you multiple options, complete with reviews, pricing, and availability, so you're never stuck trying to arrange a ride last minute. It ensures that your transportation is booked and confirmed without unnecessary delays. The best part? Navan tracks all your expenses automatically, so you won't have to worry about receipts piling up during your trip. From meals to taxi rides, it automatically categorizes your expenses, saving you time when you get back to the office. Plus, it ensures that your expenses are compliant with your company's travel policies. One of the most important features is the mobile app. With Navan, you can manage your travel from anywhere. Whether you're on a flight or in a meeting, you can adjust your itinerary, approve travel expenses, or get updates on your bookings, all from your phone. The app even offers real-time alerts about flight delays or cancellations, so you're always in the loop. Now, if you're a business looking to scale, Navan also offers a powerful analytics feature that gives you insights into your company's travel spend. This is perfect for budgeting or analyzing travel trends. You'll be able to see how much money your company is spending, where savings can be made, and whether your business trips are as efficient as they can be. For those who are new to Navan and want to give it a try, you can access it completely for free through the first link in the description below. Plus, we've secured an exclusive bonus to extend your free trial, so you can really dive into all the features Navan has to offer without any pressure. By now, you can see how Navan streamlines international business trips. From booking your flight to handling expenses, it's a comprehensive tool that saves you time, effort, and stress, leaving you free to focus on what really matters, your business. If you want to get started with Navan, don't forget to check the link below for your exclusive extended free trial. It's the easiest way to take control of your travel and expenses, all while keeping everything simple and organized.